Take a look at the max pain range compression auto framer technique for August 12th, 2026. So we've got this sorted by the reward to risk ratio, which takes a look at the risk being the daily range box and the reward being a test of the 10-day high. And we express that as a ratio. This one is 7.4 to 1. So if it were to open in the yellow box, break through the high of the day, we'd be long with the risk equal to the yellow box. And there's intermediate targets on the way up. But we use the 10-day high as a way to calibrate and normalize our standard reward. And then the risk is, of course, the size of yesterday's range. And in this case, we really like this because it has a opportunity to go short as well, so we don't have to have a directional bias. The fact that it's had these two really sharp moves in the last 15 days says that it's in play and that there's more directionality coming. So that's the double leverage Google GGLL. EWZ is 6.5 to 1. Yesterday was a great big move. Today was a stabilizing move. So if this were to hold at the low of the 30-day, then the opportunity to play a reversal to the mean is certainly there. But if it collapses further, then there's no support in sight. So that's in a compound critical state. Volatility is at a 30-day low. How long can it stay there? Caterpillar has a stabilizing move here in the middle. It's ready to break in either direction. We'd call that one a fence sitter. AMD is a Kata 2 entry getting ready to break from a recent low that is starting to curl up, and a 1, 2, 3 entry would be at 490. So we like that one. The Dow stabilizing at 537, ready to zoom forward. So we like that opportunity. And the triple leveraged Dow gives us the ability to take advantage of intraday volatility. This one is Hong Kong. Hard to day trade that, but in pretty good shape for a swing trade in either direction. And finishing up with United Health, also at the end of a 30-day kind of a sell-off, stabilizing here. It's had 8 days of failure to fail further, so a recovery here can get back to 420 without too much work. So that's a quick look at the max pain range compression technique. It finds compound critical states that we like and that we thrive on. Take good care. Keep your risk measured and your powder dry. Come check us out at tortoisecapital.net or owlgrouptrading.com.